Good day, everybody. I'm Terry. Let's get ready and crack that whip for today's episode. Indiana Jones and the Great Circle is where archaeology meets geometry. Yep, that's right. Our whip-cracking hero is now solving circles. It's a bold move, devs. Nothing screams adventure like math problems in endless puzzles shaped like pizza slices. Oh, look! The boulder respects the sacred geometry too. The gameplay: imagine if Uncharted and Tomb Raider had a baby, but the baby spent too much time in the library. Combat? It's there, somewhere, buried under all the lever pulling and hieroglyph staring. Ah yes, another priceless relic ruined by touch. If you've always wanted to play a game that mixes archaeology, ancient mysteries, and your high school geometry teacher's worst nightmare, this is it. 10 out of 10 for Fedora Physics, 2 out of 10 for my patience. Well, good luck. You need it. MechWarrior 5 clans, because why settle for normal size wars when you can stomp around in a giant metal box that's basically a Gundam with a mortgage, leaving humanity one step at a time, unless humanity happens to be in that game promises intense tactical battles. Translation: spend 30 minutes customizing your mech with weapons you can't afford, only to overheat and explode after 2 shots. War never changes, but your coolant levels sure do. Pilot skills: who needs them when you've got missiles that lock onto your own teammates? No, they don't actually lock onto your own teammates. Want a good story about mech clans? Well, good luck piecing it together while dodging lasers and trying not to trip over unseen terrain. It's like Game of Thrones but with robots, and no one's wearing pants. MechWarrior 5 clans: suit up, blow up, and spend half your time wondering why your legs fell off. War has never been so mechanically awkward. 10 out of 10 for destruction. Dying Light 2 Stay Human, now on PlayStation Plus, because nothing says free games like running from zombies who are surprisingly better at cardio than you'll ever be. If you enjoy turning every building into a personal faceplant challenge, then the parkour system is amazing. Survive the night? Sure, but only if you've got the patience to outrun a brain-eating sprint. Weapon durability? Because nothing screams survival like your machete breaking mid-swing. Don't worry though, you've got duct tape and dreams to fix it. The story? It's got twists, turns, and probably some moral choices you will probably forget about once you're being chased by a horde. But hey, who needs a plot when you've got UV lights and jump kicks? Dying Light 2 Stay Human, parkour like a pro, swing like a maniac, and try not to scream like a baby when the sun goes down. My review: a good 7 to 8 out of 10. Acts of Blood, now on Steam as a free demo, because nothing says indie passion project like giving you nightmares with a low price of $0. The mechanics are simple. It's basically Mortal Kombat as a third person with gallons of blood everywhere. With moody lighting and a soundtrack that screams Randall Walk, Acts of Blood is gruesome, chaotic, and perfect game to play before calling your therapist. Acts of Blood free to play, priceless for the trauma. Download it now, and remember, it's not about the axe, it's about the art of blood. Mad Streets, the game that asks the timeless question: what if fighting was less about skill and more about flailing your limbs like a drunk octopus at a karaoke night? Precision? Strategy? Nah. Just press buttons and hope that your character remembers what gravity is. The physics engine, it's held together with duct tape and dreams. Punch someone in the face and they might cartwheel into another dimension, or just trip over their old shoelace and you can take them down. Ah yes, nothing says Mad Streets like losing to a furniture ambush. The modes: brawl your friends, brawl strangers, or brawl alone, and then question your life choices. It's basically a slapstick comedy disguised as a fighting game. Think WWE meets Looney Tunes if both had a lower budget. It's extremely low. Mad Streets. It's mad, it's messy, and it's the perfect game for people who think what if chaos, but with fists was a good idea. 10 out of 10 for laughs, 1 out of 10 for coordination. Now, if you need the cutting edge in Black Myth Wukong, you need the Spellbinder. To get the Spellbinder, head to the north shore of the Bitter Lake and follow my lead. Once at this stage, fight the enemies and speak to the Wanderer that's getting cold. Exhaust all the dialogue in this sequence. Spellbind basically allows you to lock yourself out of all other spells but raises your attack extremely high. Then head to Forest of Felicity at the Valley of Ecstasy. Follow this route and kill all the enemies you face until you find the Wanderer again. Once you find the wandering friend, use the Ring of Fire and he will jump in to get warm. He'll then let you know that he's strong enough to go on his merry way. We then travel to Watermelon Field in the same Valley of Ecstasy. Here there's a pretty decent boss fight. Kill the boss and voila, you'll have your Spellbinder. And just like that, guys, we are done. This is the final episode for 2024. I just like to thank all my subscribers and viewers, everyone who's liked, commented, subscribed, for all of your support. And I'd like to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. See you in 2025.